have Vann's Friedrich Chill running. Sloshing water. Some new units over there.
Yeah, it's dual inverter. There's not too many around here yet, but they're starting off.
Yeah. Is that what they're recommending now? Like,
Well, they recommend the Chill Premier and the Cools, but both suck, so that's why we got the Bulge.
oh dang, the sound really just.
Yeah.
Well, I was like, oh, did you knock it so hard the compressor kicked?
Jinx it on me that I killed the air conditioner.
Oh dang, kill. Here we have Vann's Emerson Quiet Cool Modulaire with the energy saver timer. For on super cool. Should I put on quiet? Alright, here's quiet. Sounds pretty good. See, he's got a tag from his Philco. This is the sleeve from it. 60s Friedrich logo. Vedder's F tag. I'm gonna be honest, I forget what unit that goes to.
It's like a refrigerator door.
Oh yeah. And then we have parts of decommissioned for the moment of Philco Ford noiseless space saver with the Tecumseh AJ reciprocating compressor and the flip down control panel. But yeah, it's running good. It's not as much as a difference when you close it, but obviously, you got the sides open. Is it the mounts or is it just like probably get new ones if you really want to?
Well, you can see it drips a leak on the ledge there.
Yeah. Let's go through the speeds real quick. That's normal and super. I'm gonna leave it on super.
Yeah, it's kind of ghetto fabulous installation.
Yeah, it's got some grills for it. Yeah. That's about it for now. Alright, you guys are seeing this first. Here we have the Xstar replacement for Vann's thing. This is a 14,000. Wait, is this a 14 or is it 12? 14,000 BTU LG Dual Inverter. I almost said GE. Thank you. It doesn't sound like the compressor's running. Oh. Turn it back on. See if we hear it ramp up. Alright, let's go through the speeds we got. That's medium. Ramp up. Try high. Oh, I hear. There it goes. Exciting. Alright, my phone ran out of storage, but it's ramping. I don't know if that's max or not, but yeah. Put it back on mild. Should I turn the set back up to 70? Let's see if it's 68. Let's see it ramp it down. gonna lie, it sounds pretty close to a rotary at this speed.
Yeah, no, I noticed that. The 2017 model sounded like it was okay at full speed.
Try turning it up so I can hear it ramp down. And like you don't even hear that once it's like, oh dang. Like you can barely hear that at all. There it goes. Alright. Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's not gonna set in for like another week. That's how it goes for me, at least, whenever I have something like this happen.
Not like I care about it, but I can't.
Alright, here's the box for this thing. Let's see, where does it say,
Oh, it's still on that side, I think.
this side? Noise control. Oh, the variable speed. 23 to 76. And of course this is in front. Energy cost $71 a year. And we got a little surprise for you guys now. Here's the old Xstar, and here's the kind of surprise for y'all. This is mine now. Well, for now at least. So what kind of happened here? The fan did seize up. It's actually free now. I looked at it. Maybe I'll throw some oil, see if we can get it running temporarily.
Yeah.
I'll replace the bearings and everything. Yeah. It's a 10,000 BTU Friedrich Xstar. Got the grill. It's actually a Xstar grill, and then we have the case. Logo is a little faded. I'll paint that up. See what I can do about this. Hopefully make it pretty again.
Yeah.
And this should go back to him hopefully soon.
Yeah, only because I'm missing on my childhood units.
Yeah, of course. And I wanted to help fix it up a little bit.
Yeah, clean the coils, restore it, whatever.
Give it the treatment.
So,
Yeah. So we gotta load this guy up in my car and then we'll be back. All right, here she is, ladies and gentlemen. I officially own Vann Berg's old Friedrich Xstar. Mixing it up. All right. Oh, shutting the trunk. All right, nice. Got it. All right, the Friedrich is home. As you guys can see, I got another control board for it. We're gonna swap it in since the low speed won't work. I also got this one I could probably hang up somewhere if I really wanted to. Got some metal pieces, the original remote for it. I don't have the original grill. I left it with Vann because he's gonna try to retro bright it. So it has the Xstar grill that he put on it still, which I don't mind. They all look the same to me personally, so meh. All right, let's go fire this guy up. I have it on low, so you're just gonna hear the compressor. Let's hear it. Get this stuff off of it. The bearing noise went away. Try high. Bearing noise went away. Look at that. That's how bad they got. That's funny. Runs just as well as since it left. Yeah, so new fan bearings are in store for this, along with maybe a repaint and a few other things. And a new control board too. Well, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.